Hello guys, welcome back to the Forex Ball Trade Academy with Victor. And today I would like to give you one extra idea on the dollar Japanese yen. Before we start, as usual, I would like to remind you that all the information in this video is for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Here we see also an interesting price action. Along with the dollar Canadian, the idea of today, I do believe that it's a dollar strength, because I found the interesting idea here also on the dollar Japanese yen. We might see actually price moving to the upside quite fast, and just move back to one of our ideas. This means that the Australian versus dollar could be going down. So here clearly profit fixing would be good. On the dollar Japanese yen back, what we have is price above 200 exponential moving average. You can see this clean rejection suggesting that the price might be producing one more wave to the upside. Now at the other thing, we can see here resistance area, which now is acting as a support. It was a resistance here, and finally moving average got broken, and now this very nice correction down, which could provide a good opportunity. If I move to the 1 hour chart now, we see guys here also a rejection of the 200 exponential moving average, and again a rejection of the moving average. And I do think there will be one wave, just one wave to the upside. In regards to the upside potential is the resistance at 108.37 area. This is because this price is confirmed by multiple Fibonacci levels. Let me just show you. So we have 3 Fibonacci levels in total. 427.2 Fibs corresponds basically to this correction where moving average was rejected. Another Fibonacci applied to this correction again to the point where moving average was rejected, and it gives 127.2 Fibs. And finally on the forward chart I have applied Fibs to entire downtrend, and we see 61.8 Fibs at this point. This basically makes it a very strong resistance, and I do think there is a potential for the wave to the upside. In regards to the downside, if there will be forward break and close below this level, the idea will get much less attractive, and it's likely we will retest this support zone. But overall it might produce spikes here lower, so the critical point at 107.11 should be enough to withstand it in case there will be a correction and attempt to slightly go lower. And yeah, that's it guys. I think this move of how many pips, let's see, we have 100 pips here, 108 pips. No, my bad, it's actually 80 pips. Yeah, 80 pips here on this move, and I think it could be actually quite fast because not so many pips to go. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you tomorrow hopefully.